Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube classes. This is Kavya Chijjeri here with a SSLC Model Science question paper along with the answers for your upcoming exams, that is 2025-2026. So for each detailed question and answers, stay till the end. Again, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe and do comments also. So let's get started. So question 23. 4 solutions A, B, C and D when tested with a universal indicator showed pH ranging as 5, 2, 7 and 11 respectively. Which solution has more hydronium ions? So more hydronium ions means more acidic in nature. Here we can say that B, that is solution B has more hydronium ions. So which is neutral solution? As you can see here, the solution having pH ranging 7, that is solution C is the neutral solution. Again, which is the weak acid? Here as you can see, so 2 is a strong acid, again 5 is the weak acid. So the answer will be option A. So more hydronium ions will be solution B, pH having 2, neutral solution C, weak acid solution A, which has the pH value 5. So let's go to the next. 24th question. Explain the formation of sodium chloride molecule by the transfer of electrons. As you all know, the atomic number of sodium is 11 and chlorine is 17. So here there is one extra electron in its outermost shell. In the sodium there is one extra electron, so it is a valence electron. So what happens here? Chlorine needs one more electron to complete its outermost shell, to make its outermost shell as the octet. So what happens here? This sodium shares one electron to the chlorine so that they both combine together to form sodium chloride. So this is a visual representation here. So once it shares, what happens? Here they both become octets, means they both forms octet of their outermost shells. So here the explanation will be like this. Sodium loses one electron to form Na plus ion. Chlorine gains one electron to form Cl minus ion. The oppositely charged ions attract each other by electrostatic force to form sodium chloride. So this is how the bond is formed. This is how the electrons are shared. Again, one thing to know here, why it is sodium Na plus and this is NaCl minus. So as you can see here, the total number of electrons for sodium will be 11, but in the protons will be also 11, electrons will be also 11. So once it lose one electron, means there will be 10 electrons, but the protons will be 11, means the charge will be more, positive charge will be more than the negative charge. Here this will be Cl minus because it has 17 electrons and 17 protons, but one electrons that comes from the sodium and get joins here. So what happens? Number of electrons will be increased, means number of means the negative charge will be more here. That is why it is Cl minus. Understood? So let's go to the B question. What are the products obtained when aluminium metal reacts with a steam? So aluminium metal reacts with a steam, that in the sense water only. So here the products formed are aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. So the equation is like this. Ai, that is aluminium metal reacts with a steam to form, Al. Aluminium metal reacts with a steam to form Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide, and hydrogen gas is liberated. So this is the explanation. Got it? So let's go to the next question. So this is the OR question of the same question. This is the OR. Either you can attend that or this. Okay. So explain the formation of magnesium chloride molecule by the transfer of electrons. So same here. Here there are 2 valence electron in the outermost shell of the magnesium. Again what happens, it provides 1 electron to the chlorine, again here 1 electron to the chlorine to complete the octet. Again it loses 2 electrons and these 2 chlorine atoms will get each electron to complete their octets to form a bond. So as you can see here, again this will be Mg2 plus and here it is Cl minus, Cl minus. So as you all know why it is Mg2 plus. So magnesium will be losing 2 electrons, means there the protons will be same, means positive energy will be same, that is why it is 2 plus. Here chlorine will gain 1 more electron, means there the negative ions, negative energy will be increased. Okay, so this is the explanation. So question number B, how is pure zinc obtained from the zinc oxide? So as you can see here, zinc oxide, pure zinc is obtained by heating zinc oxide with carbon. So zinc oxide is heated with a carbon. Here zinc metal is produced in a vapor form. So as you can see here, this zinc metal is produced in the vapor form and collected by condensation. As you can see here, it is collected by the condensation process. So this is how the zinc is obtained, pure zinc is obtained. So let's go to the next question. Answer the following questions. 1 into 4 is equals to 4, means 1 mark, one question carrying 4 marks. 25th question, in that A, write the structures of N-butane and isobutane. So here their molecular formula is same, butane only, okay, but the structure is different. Okay, so that is why let's see, that is why they are called as structural isomers. So let's see, N-butane, as you can see here, it has 4 carbon atoms forming a chain isomer. Here it is a branched isomer, it has a 4 carbon atoms again, so it has a branched isomer. So here the molecular formula is same, that is C4H10, but the structure is different. So that is why these are called as structural isomers. These are structural isomers. Okay, so let's go to the next question.